What up guys, the Crypto Homie back again with another video. This video is all about Chainlink. How high will Chainlink go? What's a realistic end of year price for Chainlink? Let's find that out in this video. And as always guys, we have an update on a free airdrop. You guys want to know all about it, make sure you guys stick to the end to find out. And make sure you guys smash that subscribe button to stay up to date in the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it. As you guys can see, we're looking at the Link/USD chart on the monthly. Look at this candle. That wick is showing some upward momentum. That's what we want to see. But zooming out, let's go to the weekly. Once again, this week is where we have that upward momentum, guys. We want to hold this up here. This is great. Seeing Chainlink at the $9.80 area. I can't talk today for some reason. It is very good, guys. But when we go back to the daily, we want to get above 1360 area because we put up the 50 daily moving average. Let's put up to 200 just so you guys can see, it didn't happen right here. We didn't fall that low. So hopefully we don't fall that low. But I mean, some amazing buying opportunities down here, guys. Amazing. If you guys bought in, please let me know down in the comments below. But guys, the 50 daily moving average is currently around $13.40. So we want to get above there. Obviously, as we zoom out, I mean, Link's been doing great, guys. Link's aging like a fine wine. I mean, it's just doing amazing. If you zoom out for the past year, it's just, has grown exponentially. And if you look at the charts, compare 2017 to 2016 with Ethereum to this, they look very similar. It's not like exact candle for candle, but the whole trend is very, very similar. I would not be surprised to see Chainlink at the end of the year around $30 to $40. I mean, I think that's on the lower end as well. That's just being realistic. Long term, well, there's videos on this channel about that, but $600 is definitely in play in my opinion. So that right there is that. But some short-term price action, guys. Look, the candle yesterday is great. It's looking great. We got some upward momentum. That's what's adding that wick here. That's what's making this wick on the weekly, and that's good. So you see this, the wick is pushing, is long on the downside. That's good. That means there's momentum to the upside. And now if it's the opposite way, then it's momentum to the downside. But this is very good for the price. We also see Bitcoin trying to hold at 10.7, which it broke through. It closed yesterday. Now it's back down below. But once again, guys, we have that upward momentum from the wick. That's some great news. So let's hope we can close the weekly on Bitcoin above 10.7. But because that right there is gonna, as you guys all know, Bitcoin is what kind of keeps the whole market together. So yes, Chainlink is definitely an outlier. Don't get me wrong. Chainlink has made moves and moves time after time again when Bitcoin has not. But for the most part, we got to see Bitcoin stay above 10.7. And I just want to show you some stuff on CoinGecko. Just friendly reminders. You got the market cap of Chainlink is approximately $3.7 billion. Keep in mind the all-time high was around 19. It's basically $20 on August 16th, guys. It's at a 51% discount right now. How many of you go out on Black Friday and buy stuff for 50% off, guys? This is 50% off right now. So even though you might have missed the $7 low, still at $10, that's still a great buy. And there's this article about Chainlink, September 25th, which is today. So Chainlink can now be used to book accommodations in 2.2 million hotels. So this is with the whole Travala integration and Link payments, guys. This is pretty cool. You're actually able to use Link to book a hotel. That's pretty cool to me. There's there's a bunch of cryptos that can do this, but it's about time Chainlink got onto this. And with Chainlink, guess what? There's so many partnerships, guys. This really doesn't matter in the scheme of things. With being able to take real data, put it onto the blockchain. That's so valuable. This right here, is great. It's one of those small little bonuses, but Chainlink is doing bigger things and better things than this. And guys, as I said in the beginning of this video, we're gonna go in this update of a free airdrop. As I mentioned a couple days ago, or maybe it was a week ago, you guys can get some Bell tokens for free. So we're gonna dive right into that. And in order to get some Bell tokens for free, you guys have to purchase some ARPA chain. Okay, so right now it's about 2.1 cents. I actually just bought some at 22 cents because depending on the exchange you go to, it will depend on the exact price. But Binance is the number one liquidity provider. You got Huobi Global, Bithumb, CoinOne, Gate.io, Hotbit. I actually bought some on Kucoin, which is all the way down here, so there wasn't that much liquidity. But if you're able to use Binance.com, I would highly recommend that. But some more details about it. I showed this article maybe a week or two ago. But basically, they're giving away 2 million Bell tokens to ARPA holders. Okay, and yes, I said holders because for some reason when I say holder, it just doesn't sound right. But and just to not bore you guys with the small details, it says we will work with major exchanges and wallets for the airdrop. The whitelist for the first batch of exchanges, guys, first batch of exchanges, first. That means the first airdrop. It sounds like there's going to be more than one airdrop. It includes Binance, Huobi, Bithumb, Gate, Kucoin, MXC, and HBTC. So guys, I'm holding my ARPA on Kucoin to anticipate this ARPA snapshot, which will be held on September 30th to October 15th. It says the first snapshot will begin on September 30th. So I'm not sure if there's going to be more than one airdrop. I don't know. But all I know is I wanted to get on this sweet airdrop because they're giving away 2 million Bell tokens, which if we go to the price of Bell tokens, at the time of this recording, it's $2.46. Let's scroll down. Let's check out the all-time high. All-time high is $9.99, guys, at $10, okay? So even if you only get like 5 of these things right now, it's like, okay, whatever. That's, it's only like $10, a little over $10, like $12.50. And even at the all-time high, it's $50. But guys, think about it. This bull run, we're in it for the long term, right? So this thing could go way higher. That's what I'm anticipating. So, and hey, free airdrop's free airdrop. Maybe you cash in some profit and put into Bitcoin. Hey, that's a great move as well. But yeah, there's details on that right here on this website. I wish they would have a little more details of exactly how much you're getting and the ratio. I really don't know. I've been trying to research that. I have not found anything. But on ARPA's website, it's pretty interesting. It says Bell Protocol announcement. Bell liquidity mining will start at 8 p.m. September 28th. And it's saying that Bell airdrop will take place on exchanges starting September 30th. Guys, this is September 30th is when it starts, guys. That is what's up. But they also said from ARPA, they had a tweet. It said that they're going to have updates coming soon. It says, on September 23rd, we have been in close contact with exchanges to finalize details on airdrop for ARPA holders. We will provide updates as soon as we have any. So I definitely cannot wait for these updates because it's like, what is going on? What's the ratio of what you get, and what's it going to be worth? Because that would be great to know. I did want to see this thing right here. See if there's any updates. It just says to mine it, rewards. So that's it. Like if you participate in the pool. Here, yes, once again, 2 million Bell will be airdropped. The airdrop will be distributed quarterly to APR. Guys, this is breaking news right here. So it's going to be given to you quarterly to ARPA holders, and there will be 8 rounds of airdrops in total. So 8 rounds, that sounds like 2 years right there because there's 4 quarters in a year. It says, Bell Foundation will transfer Bell to our partner exchanges, and the exchanges will assist in the distribution of Bell token to APR holders. Guys, and I already said these current ones. They added ju.com, never heard of that, but it's all the ones I just said, plus that one right there. So the snapshot, once again, September 30th to October 15th. Ooh, okay, found some details right now. Yes, September 30th. Ooh, the airdrop ratio of ARPA to Bell is 5,000 to 1. So for every 5,000 ARPA, guys, this is breaking news. Like I literally just saw this right now. ARPA to Bell ratio is 5,000 to 1. So for every 5,000 ARPA you have, you'll get 1 Bell token. Keep in mind, ARPA is like 2 cents, a little over 2 cents. So I mean, able to get a couple, thousands of it. It's pretty affordable. So back to that thing right here. It says snapshot for the. Yeah, so every quarter, September 30th, December 30th. So every quarter that they'll have one, and you'll be able to get. So wow, that's pretty cool. So every quarter, for every 5,000 ARP, you'll get 1 Bell. So that means if you only have 5,000, then you'll be getting a total of 8 Bell over the next 2 years. So that's pretty cool. What do you think the price of Bell will be in the next 2 years? And think about it. If you're holding ARP for that long, what do you think the price of ARP will be? Because I don't believe I went over the all-time high. The all-time high is around 7.5 cents. So right now, that's almost, it's like a 3.5x right there. So first of all, you can make money off ARPA, then you get some free Bell token, which then that's free right there. And as that goes up, then that's free. So, It sounds like a win-win to me. And guys, we're gonna check out this article about from Cointelegraph. It says 3 reasons why traders turn bullish after Bitcoin price surged to 10.7K. And I just want to bring up the chart of Bitcoin. Guys, everybody was so bearish when things were down here. People were so bearish, like, and all of a sudden we flipped like, oh, we're going to the moon now. So you guys just try to stay level-headed, dollar cost average, be mindful of your investments. And that reminds me of checking out the Fear and Greed Index. As you guys can see, yesterday we were at a 39 for fear. Right now we're at a 46. It's going up. Scrolling down to the chart for the max history, you guys can see this area around the 40, the 38 area on the crypto Fear and Greed Index is a crucial. There's a lot of action here. So we got to hold that as support, and we are holding it. So let's see. We're probably going to play around for a while, and eventually we'll bounce back up. But that's when Bitcoin hopefully will be around 20K, because we don't want to get too greedy, because then stuff has to correct. Like we want to see a slow progress of something like that. But hopefully when we're back up at this level, we're at like 200K, if you know what I mean. So, alrighty guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank every single one of you guys for watching this video. Guys, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and a friendly little reminder, this is just a pure entertainment, not financial advice, because the Crypto Homie is signing out. Catch you guys in the next one.